Most kids that want to do farming, they want to buy paradise and
Yeah.
live in paradise. Well, paradise is expensive.
Yes.
So let's take hell
Yes, exactly.
and transform it into paradise. Because now if we're starting with something that has very little value compared to, nobody wants it. It's cheap.
Yeah.
Well, then you do any kind of gain on it. And if it is a real ecological gain, we're really producing food, fuels, medicines, fibers, perennially imitating the natural plant communities of this place. That's called nature. We can't go wrong with that. And so the maintenance, that's the biggest thing in my system, is the actual maintenance labor to keep that thing going is almost nothing. I even took a vacation a couple of years ago and went away, and I came back and it was better.
Yeah.
I mean, how many almond groves can do that?
No.
And then when I get back, I work seasonally, during that particular season. I'm going to work my buns off. It is, after all, an agricultural enterprise.
Mm-hmm.
But then there's times I just don't have to be there at all.